Let's prepare Helda beans for dinner. Helda beans are something that is easily available in Bangalore. I did not consume it before coming here, but now I see it in every other shop. So I thought of preparing this for dinner, but now it is afternoon time only, but I will keep it ready so that we can prepare it in the afternoon. My kid is sleeping here. We went outside to the dentist. After coming back, he slept on the way, so while he sleeps for about an hour, let me prepare for dinner. Helda beans are also called as flat beans or board green beans. So these beans are really nutritious and they go really well with everyday Indian meal. You can either serve them with your rice, with your chapati, and even you can carry it in your lunch boxes. You can either cook it like stir fry or you can steam it and then you can temper it with some masalas, or you can even pressure cook it lightly for like one whistle. But what are the health benefits of these Helda beans? First of all, they are very good for your digestion. These beans are rich in dietary fiber and it really helps in digestion. It also supports healthy gut bacteria and promotes smoother digestion. Secondly, it is also good for your heart health. They contain a lot of potassium and magnesium and it can regulate your blood pressure. They are also low in saturated fat, making it a heart-friendly vegetable that you can consume or you can include in your meal. These beans also help in controlling blood sugar. These beans contain fiber which slows down sugar absorption and it indirectly leads to maintaining stable glucose level. This is a good option for people who are very concerned about carbohydrate intake. Healthy beans also support your bone health because they contain calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin K, which are important for maintaining strong bones. It also boosts immunity because it contains vitamin C, antioxidants, and that helps the body to fight infections and reduce inflammation. Healthy beans also aids in weight management because they are low in calories but they are filled with fiber, so it is really good if you are looking for something light and healthy to include in your meal. These beans are really good for your skin and eyes. They contain natural antioxidants and it helps to protect the cells from damage and it supports overall skin health. But you should avoid consuming these beans raw. You should always cook them in some or the other way so that you can absorb all the nutrition that it carries. So here I am done chopping the Helda beans. Actually, I'm not chopping it, I'm just removing the edges. Otherwise, I would prepare it by chopping them into small pieces, but because I did not have enough time left, I thought of cooking them as it is. And here I'm soaking some garlic. So if you are using fresh garlic, soaking them really makes the process of peeling the skin easy. So I will soak them for about 1 or 2 hours, and after that I will peel the skin. On regular days I use this garlic granules because peeling the skin takes a lot of time and I really love garlic taste. So I prefer using granules whenever I don't have time to use the fresh one. Obviously fresh one tastes way more than the granules. So here to cook it, I am heating up a pan. So this is the iron karai that we recently bought. It is quite wide and I think it is 4.5 liters or something. You can cook a lot of things at one go. So here I'm heating up some oil, adding it some kalonji. Kalonji really enhances the flavor. And here I'm adding some garlic. I did not chop it. I'm just adding it as it is because my kids slept for a few hours today. I had the time of peeling garlic. And here I'm adding the Helda beans as it is. I did not peel, I did not chop them or anything. So I'll just give this a mix. I'm keeping the flame low and will allow this to cook. I will cover it and allow it to cook for a few minutes. After about 3-4 minutes, I'm again giving this a good mix. Also, if you are using that garlic granules, you should not be using it in oil, otherwise it sticks to the pan. So you put whatever vegetables you are cooking, you put that. After that you can put the granules. It works better that way. This is again after few minutes. So I'm keeping the flame very low all the while. And here from my masala box I am adding some turmeric powder, some salt, and this is Kitchen King masala. I need to refill the masala box as well. So I'm just adding these 3 ingredients and we'll give this a mix and we'll allow it to cook for few more minutes. I kept it covered all the while, so this is again after a few minutes. It is nicely cooked. You can use a spoon and you can check if it is properly cooked or it is still raw, and then accordingly you can turn off the flame. So here my Helda beans were cooked. I turned off the flame and here I'm serving food. Here I have some cucumber and onion. I cooked broken wheat today, and this is some dried chicken, and here I have Helda beans. So instead of rice, most of the times we end up having broken wheat. If you do not like the taste of broken wheat, you can obviously replace it with rice, roti, whatever you prefer. And here I have some tur dal with boiled carrot, and this is what was for dinner that day. That's all for today's video. Until next time, bye bye.